Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Microsoft Store region. First, open your device's Start menu by clicking the Windows icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, navigate to Settings by clicking the gear icon. This action will open a new window containing your system's core configuration options, where we will make our initial adjustments. Now, within the Settings window, look for and select Time and Language. On the left-hand side panel, you will find an option labeled Language and Region. Click on this to proceed. Under the Region section, use the drop-down menu to select your preferred new country or region. Be sure to confirm your selection before closing this window. For the changes to take effect properly, it is crucial to close your Microsoft Store application completely. Ensure it is not running in the background. Then, simply reopen the Microsoft Store from your Start menu or taskbar as you normally would. Upon launching, the store should automatically detect your new system region and load content accordingly, displaying prices and availability relevant to that location. Please be aware that changing your region might impact existing account balances or gift cards. These do not always transfer seamlessly. Also, some previously purchased content might not be accessible in your new region due to licensing restrictions. It is important to note that you can typically change your region only one time every 3 months, so decide wisely before making this adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.